You love man blood clot too much and your man stop give your bun. Last time when I did an interview, I go on with yourself, I wish you did drop off a chair and broke your neck, right? Then she go back and say, and sitting under the ball, you can't drop down and dead, or meeting or make you or kill you. Yeah. Eat, you say, I never see a girl who me eat so much. Big mouth, dirty girl with 10 pet. No, what? All of that she go on with yesterday. I say, watch this. For what? So up to now, for all the people in the comment section, man wicked and this, that. I know she not tell me nothing about 10. I know. I just see him song you sing. Every day, you man know why you. And that's fine. So this wasn't a tense situation to say, oh, him not come out and say this, him never need to come out and say nothing. Him the worst time if you out there answer fake page. Him no need to come out and say nothing. You don't know me is this, you don't go hear my mouth, me I go cuss, and me I go talk. This is me, this is not 10. 10 don't even do social media like that. That's why I can always talk to him. Don't even post her. Him no post, A ring bigger than my finger, you want put on you and show you and flash on, she say drop off. You no blood clot. This thing, if you don't watch me, this ring was always on this finger and I had to change it. You don't want me to flash off my little ring and no blood clot fine it? No, me nah put on it. Till me going out. Me love my ring. I'm going out ring. Me nah wash no plate in my ring. If you drop in the sink. No, you nah make me do it, miss. I'm going out ring. I'm going out ring. When my hand have on beer banger, like one night, yeah. Or me have a look at watch and something I chew on my ring and I say, Radam, if it did tight now when I squeeze my nose, say, nah, drop off. See, you would not make me wear my ring just to show up alive, and then when I start going to drop off, it gun to my eye, eat my blood clot ring. It now go work. No. So me just, when me going out, I put it on and I know so me have to hold my hand. Like a challenge, you know what? So me have to start walk with the ring finger out. So, like a challenge. Yeah. So all of you can see it.